Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to be working in the game HUD, so let's open up the game HUD. Let's go over to the designer, and I've just renamed all of these. I've renamed this to HP text, HP bar, mana text, mana bar, mana bar, AP text, AP bar, the status text and the label text. Okay, then I renamed this binding to get HP value. Then we're going to go to that binding and we're going to do some things. So firstly, we're going to make 3 branches. First one we'll plug in like this, and we'll make another 2 branches, plugging in the execution to the false pin of the previous branch. Then we need to grab off of our player reference and say get party member turn, and if the party member turn is equal to 1, we'll display our first lot of information. Let's duplicate all of this 2 times, plug in our true execution pin of both of our branches, and we're going to have to pull off our player reference and say get party member 1 HP and get party member 2 HP, and plug them in accordingly. So party member 2 at the bottom, party member 1 in the middle, and then we need some conditioning, so we're going to duplicate this 2 times, and we're going to set that to 2 and 3, and plug in your party member turn and plug in the condition to your branches. Okay, that's the HP setup. Then we're going to do the same for our mana text binding. So I'm going to rename it to get mana value, and I'm going to go over here and I'm just going to duplicate all of this. Sorry, that's my son. So I'm going to copy that and paste that into the get mana value. Then we're going to want to copy this return node and the float to text. Then we need to pull off and we need to say get party member 1 mana and party member 2 mana. Plug party member 2 into the bottom one and party member 1 into the middle one, and that is set up. And we still got this on our clipboard, so we're just going to go to our next text, which is AP. It's called get text 2, so I'm just going to rename that to get AP value. Okay, and we're going to paste in our, we didn't have that on the clipboard, sorry. Just going to copy this again. So Control C, Control V, and we can plug it in like that. And once again we're going to copy this return node and plug it into our true pins, and then we need to get party member 1 AP and party member 2 AP, and plug them into this value input. Okay, compile. Looks like we've got some problems here. Didn't connect that, and I don't think I did it here either. Yeah. Okay, compile, and let's copy this stuff again because we're going to use it again. Go over to our designer. I didn't copy it, just selected it. So Control C, go to your designer, go to the status, and it's called we're gonna remove that binding and create another binding. We're gonna call this get status text. That's actually fine, we can leave it as that. And then we're gonna grab all of this instead of doing what we had done. Copy it, and paste. And then you want to duplicate the return node 2 times. Plug it into your true execution pins, and then you want to get status and get party member 1 status and get party member 2 status, and plug them in accordingly in order, and that's that. Okay, next up is our level. Get text 3, so we're going to go to that binding and rename it. We'll call this get level, and I'll just go over here again, copy our conditioning. Where's get level? I didn't copy it again. Okay, and you want to paste it in here. For some reason it's not copying. Sorry, just bear with me. Control C, Control V, there we go. Okay. Be sure to plug in your player reference, and then we're going to have to get our party members levels. I don't think that we've actually set up a variable for this, so for the time being we're going to copy this return node and just plug it into the true pin. Let's have a look, see if we did get it. Get party member level. Nope, doesn't have a level, so we're going to go into our character and create that variable quick. So let's go to our character and create 2 new integer variables. We'll call party mem level 1, and we'll make it an integer, compile, and we'll set it to 1, and then we'll make another one. We'll make them both publicly editable. Second one we'll call exactly the same thing, just with the number 2 on the end. So like that. Then we're going to go into our game HUD and we're going to grab those 2 variables. So get party member level 1, get party member level 2, and plug them in. Okay. Then we can do our bars. So HP bar, we're going to remove the binding, and then we'll create a binding, and we will copy our conditioning as we have been doing, and paste it in. So this is to return our HP bar. So we're gonna get HP, get party member 1 HP, and get party member 2 HP. Party member 2's HP. And we'll duplicate this 2 times and plug it in like this. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing for mana. So here we go. We're going to remove this binding, create a binding. Oh, wrong thing. Okay, we're going to go grab our conditioning again. And paste it in. And then all this time we're going to do is get the mana. So get mana. Get your party member 1's mana and get party member 2 mana. Okay. Now we need to duplicate our return node twice again and plug it into your true execution pin of your branches and plug in your values. Oh, I'll do that one like that. Okay, and then lastly we have to do our AP bar. So this is get %0, this one. We're going to change the name of it, get AP bar value, compile that, and then I'm going to grab our conditioning again, copy it, drag this out a bit, and paste it in. Okay, so we need to sort of replicate this, but for each of our guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to duplicate this and the return node 2 times, and then we need to get our party members AP stuff. Get party member 1 AP, get party member 1 max AP, and then the same for party member 2, so get party member 2 AP, get party member 2 max AP, and plug them in accordingly, and plug in your return nodes. Okay, and then that should be showing for each of our characters all of their stats. We would just need a name to put up here, and I actually want to put a little image of the guy's face or something in there as well. Okay, I'm back, and on each of these we just want to add one more thing. So we're going to duplicate this, set that to 0, and we'll add an AND to be an OR boolean, not an AND. So OR boolean, and plug that in. Let's just copy this, make it a bit faster. Okay. Right, so getting all of our ORs now in place. Don't know why I thought an AND would work. It means both of them have to be equal for it to work. It's impossible for it to be equal to 2 numbers. Anyway, just keep putting our OR in there, and we should solve the problem. Okay, compile, and let's have a look-see. So there's our first guy, he's got an AP of 6 or whatever. Next guy should have an AP of 5, I believe. Yeah, all gone back up. Okay, so it's back to our player 1. Now we would put maybe a name and a picture somewhere around here to tell whose turn it is, because right now it's just values that are tied to each skeletal mesh. So we'll swap now to our next guy, and he's filling up again. Okay, so it is all working. Great stuff. So it says I've got 11 AP. Okay, well, it seems to be working. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.